Hi, I'm Marcus de Maria, CEO of Investment Mastery. Look, with today's current COVID-19 predicament, mental and physical health is at the forefront of what we are and what we will be focusing on. And I wanted to shoot this video to really just to send you and the world a message of positivity in, let's face it, pretty gloomy times. The current crisis is affecting the world's financial climate, which leads to the importance of a growth mindset. Now, being someone who knows firsthand what a stress this kind of crisis can bring, it is not time to retreat. That's going to be our first reaction, knee-jerk reaction. It's not time to retreat, but actually to expand. Expand your mind, and we want to help you do just that. Now, rest assured, this video is not to sell you anything, nor is it to encourage you to take any actions other than to stay positive. See, it is in times like now where only positive people will prosper. And I want you to understand, I don't want you just to survive, I really want you to prosper, you and your family. Because now is the time that we all need to be focusing on staying as optimistic as possible and getting through this current situation and even thriving. So here are 3 points to help you do this. Number 1, do not buy into the mainstream media, but buy into the facts. Now, I know it is hard with the media blasting out negativity every day or every minute about the coronavirus. Still, I encourage you, I urge you to look after your mind and really limit your intake of the negativity. It will serve you in the long run when this is all over, and it will be all over. You see, we're a creation of our thoughts, and what we put in will only be what we see out. So do whatever you can to switch off from the negativity and stay mentally positive for you, your family, and friends. If you don't do it for yourself, then please do it for your family and for your friends. Number 2, take this time to become financially literate. Now, being a company that teaches people around the world on how to create financial independence, we know the importance of staying educated in this very subject, especially now, and to make sure if you're feeling a little bit tight right now in finances, that'll never happen again. So if you are already trying to make financial decisions with fear, please stop. You've already set yourself up to fail. Take a step back, review wisely, take a deep breath, and make only the best decisions that will support once this crisis has passed, which it will do, obviously, okay? And remember, this too shall pass. By making sure your money and financial decisions are in order, you will only reap all the benefits later on. So educate yourself on what you can do to make sure that your money is in order. And we're here to help with that exact thing, of course. I've set up my team to be at service to you at this time. You can call us at any time on +44 203 699 9951. That's +44 203 699 9951. We're here to help where we can. Number 3, take this time to learn something new. Now, I'm not saying not to take some time watching your favorite movies or indulging into a bit of Netflix. I'm sure we're all going to do that. This might help keep your mind off things temporarily, but take this time, use it as a blessed opportunity to really focus on something new. You know, educate yourself by learning something that will help you expand your mind and support you to stay safe and financially secure in such uncertain times. You know, feed your mind and your body with the right things that will help you and your family not just survive, remember, not just to survive this crisis, but thrive. I mean, how about that for a new focus? How about thriving through this crisis? And Investment Mastery will be working hard to consistently produce and share positive and educational content with you on our social media channels. In fact, we are sending daily messages every day. Messages, tips, tricks, techniques on how you and your family can thrive in this crisis. There's some really great ones out there, so watch out for them. For example, we've enlisted my personal trainer to do 3 morning sessions for our clients to keep your mind and body fit during this time. So look out for that announcement and how you can be part of that. Seriously, my trainer, we're paying him so that he can train you on a Monday morning, Wednesday morning, and Friday morning. That's just one of many, many things that we've got coming up to make sure that we thrive through this crisis. So, look after yourself and your loved ones and stay positive. And if you want to, go a step further. Why not be a leader? Why not step up? Look after your tribe. Now, this could be your clients. I spent all weekend basically calling all of our Gold Fast Track members, leaving messages with them, talking to them on a one basis, just giving them a virtual cuddle, making sure they're all okay. And so maybe you want to do the same. Look after your family, look after your community, be a leader. Now is the time for you to step up. But above all, be safe. Okay, I look forward to speaking to you soon.